Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you friends how to book flight ticket in Tabby. So guys, go to Tabby and log in your account or download the app. If you have mobile option, download the app. After that, search for Wigo. As you can see here friends, this is to book your flight ticket, and click shop online. And guys, write your own information about Wigo. As you can see here, the ticket where you want to stay from here, for example this one, and click on this option. Click this icon to book, and then you should to log in from here account. Guys, remember to read all conditions and terms to use, and then complete the steps. Just wait and complete the destination friends, for example this one, Thailand or something like this, and then complete your payment as a Tabby. Use Tabby as a payment. This is how you can do, guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon, and keep watching, guys. And remember, guys, just choose, for example, your data to you want to book, and click search from here. After that, complete all, click book now with this option. This is how you can do, guys, and to use book flight ticket in Tabby. Thanks guys for watching this video.